Tempranillo occupies more than 75% of area under vine and Rioja. What is the primary white grape variety which accounts for 88% of all Vino Blancos produced in Rioja? Godello, Viura, Irin, or Picapol Blanco?
Okay. So we have a couple of votes for B, Viura, a couple of votes for D, Picapol Blanco. And a couple more coming in for Viura.
And that would be correct. It's Viura. All right.
Good job. So I guess the answer is they are Spanish wine scholars because they're nailing it pretty well.
That's going to be my last question, and we'll see how many. All right, so the Consejo Regulador in Rioja authorized Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Verdejo in 2007. And these varieties were so popular that in 2017 they authorized single varietal wines could be produced from how many varieties? 10, 15, 9, or 12?
Okay, Jean.
Right.
And people are answering here between C and D, so 9 and 12.
All right, and the answer is 9.
Nice.
I know. They're so smart. Hard to stump this group. Catalunya is home to Cava, Spain's sparkling wine. Catalunya also produces exceptional wine from this variety: Verdejo, Chardonnay, Garnacha Blanca, or Godello.
Okay, so we have a vote for A, Verdejo, and we have the remainder of the votes, C for Garnacha Blanca.
And that's what it is, Garnacha Blanca. Well, I thought this one might be an easy one. I just thought some of the previous ones were a little bit harder. But we have a smart group.